So, hello everyone, James here from Dundee Science Centre once again, and for today's little Christmas science activity, we're going to make some Christmas decorations using a process called chromatography, okay, which is all about colour. Now to do this, what you'll need, some of these coffee filters, okay, pretty easy to get hold of, and you want to cut them into kind of a Christmassy shape. So I have tried to make two Christmas trees here. They're pretty basic. I'm fairly sure you guys can come up with better shapes than I am. You probably have better cutting skills than me. But what we're going to do, we're going to take our shapes and then we're going to take some washable marker pen. Okay, now it's important that it's washable because we need it to be soluble in water. So that basically means we need to be able to dissolve in water so that all of the colours in the pen spread out across the coffee filter. So I'm going to use two colours. I'm going to use black and I'm going to use green. Now the reason I'm using black is because black ink is actually made up of lots of different colours. So when the water hits it, it separates out all these colours and it creates a lovely pattern, okay? So all I'm going to do is draw maybe a kind of black scribble there, something like that. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just get some of the ink onto that filter paper. And then on the other one, just to see what colours green comes out with, I'm going to draw some green as well. Good, good, good. Now, after you've done that, you're going to want to take two little containers of water. So I've used beakers here, but you can use jars, glasses, anything like that. And you want to fold your decoration up and set it in the water, not deep in, just so that the kind of tip of the colour, tip of the filter paper should I say, is in the water. Now this paper will absorb the water and spread it out, and that should bring out all the colours in this ink and make, hopefully, a pretty cool Christmas decoration. So, after you've left your decoration in the water for a few minutes, hopefully the water has been absorbed by the filter paper and it's diffused all of these colours throughout the decoration. So I tried black, and if you look here, you can see there's sort of browny colours, there's orangey colours, there's blue colours as well. Now it's not come out too well. I would probably use a bit more black ink, because I just used a little bit. Now the green, I think, has come out really well. You can see there's blue in there as well, and some yellow. So again, probably use a little bit more green just to spread it out throughout the whole decoration. But yeah, what to do is once you've got this, you leave it to dry and then you can hang it up on your tree, stick it on your wall, do whatever you want with it. But yeah, try different colours as well and see what kind of patterns they create.